how much should you actually spend on a turntable? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting.
Product number 1, Season Life Vintage Turntable. The Season Life Vintage Turntable priced at just $29.99. What caught my attention was its charming vintage design and built-in speakers. If you want an affordable way to enjoy your vinyl collection without the fuss, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It has 3 speed settings, 33, 45, and 78 RPM, so it can handle a variety of records. Plus, the belt-driven anti-vibration system helps reduce unwanted noise, making your listening experience so much cleaner. And don't worry if you want to enjoy music from your phone. It has Bluetooth connectivity. It's incredibly user-friendly, which is a big plus for beginners. Now, some people complained about the sound quality not being as rich as higher-end models. Here's the thing though, if you're just starting out or looking for something casual, this isn't a deal breaker. You'll still get decent sound for the price. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable, hassle-free way to enjoy vinyl. Skip this one if you're an audiophile looking for superior sound quality. For under $30, it's a solid entry point. Now, if the built-in speakers don't cut it for you, the next turntable might just meet your expectations. Product number 2, Audio-Technica AT-LP6X-BK, which comes in at $179. This fully automatic turntable grabbed my attention with its sleek design and solid build quality. If you want a reliable, easy-to-use turntable that delivers on sound, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It features an anti-resonance die-cast aluminum plotter that helps isolate sound and reduce vibrations. The fully automatic operation means you just press a button and it does all the work for you. Plus, it has a built-in switchable phono preamplifier, which means you don't need additional equipment to get great sound. Now, some users mention that the automatic function can be a bit finicky. Here's the thing though, that's a minor inconvenience compared to how easy it is to use once you get the hang of it. If you want quality without complicated setups, this is still a great option. This is perfect for you if you want a high-fidelity listening experience without too much hassle. Skip this one if you prefer manual control and customization. It's a solid investment for vinyl lovers. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who value wireless convenience. Product number 3, Audio-Technica AT-LP60XBT-BK. The Audio-Technica AT-LP60XBT-BK, priced at $258. This one really caught my eye because of its wireless capability. If you like modern convenience with classic sound, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It connects via Bluetooth, meaning you can easily stream music to compatible speakers or headphones without dealing with wires. It still maintains the high-fidelity audio that Audio-Technica is known for, thanks to its anti-resonance die-cast platter. And yes, it also has that fully automatic operation, so you can just sit back and enjoy your tunes. Now, some users reported connectivity issues with certain devices. Here's the thing though, if you're using it with compatible Bluetooth speakers, it works beautifully. Those minor hiccups are worth it for the convenience of wireless playback. This is perfect for you if you want to blend a vintage charm and modern technology. Skip this one if you prefer a traditional wired setup. It's a great middle ground for vinyl enthusiasts. Now, if you're looking for something that allows a bit more control and versatility, the next turntable is a fantastic option. Product number 4, Audio-Technica AT-LP60XGM, which retails for $189. The gunmetal finish gives it a sleek look, and it's another fully automatic turntable that piqued my interest. If you want a stylish, reliable turntable with excellent sound, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It has the same anti-resonance die-cast aluminum plotter as the previous models, which means you get quality sound without distortion. It plays both 33 and 45 RPM records, making it versatile for your collection. Plus, the built-in switchable phono preamp offers flexibility in connecting to different audio systems. Now, some people found the setup a bit complicated compared to more basic models. Here's the thing though, once it's set up, it's smooth sailing. The sound quality makes that initial setup effort worth it. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish yet functional turntable. Skip this one if you want something super basic. It's a solid choice for anyone wanting a balance between style and performance. Now, if versatility and cutting-edge tech are what you're after, the final turntable on our list is definitely worth considering. Product number 5, Audio-Technica AT-LP120X BT USB BK, priced at $449. This model really stands out with its ability to connect directly to your computer for digitizing vinyl records. If you're serious about your vinyl collection and want the best features, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It has a direct drive motor, which means it starts up quickly and maintains speed accuracy, important for high-quality playback. The anti-resonance aluminum plotter ensures great sound quality. Plus, you can connect it via USB to digitized records, which is a huge bonus for tech-savvy users. Now, some users pointed out that it's a bit heavier than other models, making it less portable. Here's the thing though, this weight contributes to its stability and sound quality, making it a trade-off worth considering. This is perfect for you if you want a top-tier turntable with advanced features. Skip this one if you're looking for something lightweight and easy to move. It's an investment, but one that serious audiophiles will appreciate. In conclusion, whether you're just starting out or looking for high-end features, there's a turntable on this list for you. If you want an affordable entry point, the Season Life Vintage Turntable is a great choice. For something reliable and user-friendly, the Audio-Technica AT-LP60XBK is fantastic. The AT-LP60XBTBK adds wireless convenience, while the AT-LP60XGM offers style and performance. Finally, the AT-LP120XBT USB BK is for those who want to digitize their vinyl collection. Each has its strengths, so choose what fits your needs best.